Now we recommend the magnetic seal with mechanic seal. We suggest the mechanic seal. If you carry out with the cooling, the magnetic seal will be better. If you know not tap water to connect with the magnetic seal, then we suggest a mechanic seal. It can be used for a long time. Explosion control panels and the stereo inside with the coatings outside the rack jacket. Also to protect the wall, also the vacuum. And the opening puts it for the solid feeding temperature of the vacuum condenser. The liquid feeding with 2 and 1 funnel for dripping. On the top it's 100 liters. It's 0.75 kilowatts. The model is a water condensers and water separator and 20 liters glass receiver for the SLAs. Here the one wave also for vacuum. Yeah, the vacuum. We suggest the vacuum on top, not by side here. We suggest on the top. In the future, if you guys need, you could require to open a port on the top of the condensers. You know why they put the PVC outside? It's just for the protection of the operators for saving, because the glass point, if also no the wrong operation or the pressure, maybe it's easy to broken to hurt the people. So we add a PVC panel outside. You can see here.